Namaste everyone. So we're going to learn about which lesson? Tangents and secants. Today we'll learn a new lesson about tangents and secant lesson. Mr. Laughing. So just listen, watch this video, then we'll see about the explanation.
You may have watched a game of football. When the football is moving along the ground, or when it is stationary, it is in contact with the ground. At how many points is the football in contact with the ground at a given time? As you can see, the football is a sphere and it touches the ground at a single point at a given time. Look at this acrobat riding a unicycle on a rope suspended above the ground. At how many points does the wheel of the unicycle touch the rope at a given time? Here again, the wheel of the unicycle touches the rope only at a single point. Let's look at another example. Have you seen sparks fly off from a knife sharpening machine when a knife is being sharpened on it? In which direction do the sparks fly? You will see that the sparks originate from a point and fly in a direction perpendicular to the radius of the circular knife sharpening machine. In all these examples, each line touches the circle externally at one and only one point. Such lines are known as tangents. The word tangent comes from the Latin word tangere, which means to touch.
Okay, what is the word here? Tangent. So whenever a circle, this is a circle, if a circle touches a line, if a circle touches a line at only one point. Now here the point is there, this line is touched by this circle at this point. So this is called as, this line is said to be what? Tangent. Whenever circle touches a point at only one place, it is called as tangent. Tangent. We will see later, okay? So if a circle intersects the circle at only one point, it is called as a tangent. Now what will happen if your circle intersects at two different places? For example, this one, see?
Here is a circle with center O. Now, look at this line I. It intersects the circle at 2 points. A line that intersects the circle at 2 points is called a secant. So line I is a secant.
So if a line, if any line, previous the line was where it is touching the circle at 1 point. Previous the circle was touched by 1 point. Now if the line intersects the circle at 2 points, 1 and 2. So this line is said to be secant. This will be a tangent. This is called as a secant line. S-E-C-A-N-T. So tangent and secant. So that is our main topic about tangent and the secant.
Let's move this line slowly towards the center of the circle.
Now the secant line passes exactly to the center of the circle. So this will behave as what?
Secant.
This point will be written as what? Diameter. So this, suppose this point is A, this point is B. So AB is the diameter of the circle. If a line exactly passes to the center of the circle, circle is divided into two equal halves, and each half is called
Semicircle.
semicircle. Each half is called semicircle. Each half is called semicircle.
Now, watch carefully as the line moves away from the center towards the circumference of the circle. You will see that line I no longer intersects the circle at 2 points. It touches the circle at only 1 point on its circumference. A line that touches the circle at only one point on its circumference is called a tangent, and the point of intersection is known as the point of contact.
Okay, so
In this figure,
two
line
things.
I is the tangent, and
Two
point
things.
P
Here
is
you
the
have to
point
see.
of contact.
One is what about the tangent, one is about the
Secant.
secant. So it's a very important tangents and secant difference you have to know. Now if a circle, depending upon the line and the circle, three positions can be there, whether the line will intersect the circle or the line will not intersect the circle. The line may intersect the circle at how many points?
Infinity.
Huh? Now, this is a circle. First of all, can anyone tell what is the definition of circle? Huh? Definition of circle. What is the meaning of circle?
A round shaped figure which doesn't have edges, corners, straight
Okay.
lines.
So, yeah, little bit. So we can say, see, suppose here set of points are there. Suppose these are all the points. If all these points are joined by a curve, curve means any line is called as a, if you draw anything, it is called as a curve, which is having a bend, whatever. So, set of points which are joined together by a curve and which is having a fixed distance from the center. This distance is what? Fixed. It is called as a circle. What is called? So what is the definition of circle? Set of points which are joined together by a curve and which how much?
Which have same
Fixed
distance.
which has a fixed distance or same distance is called as a circle. Now in circle and the line, there are three kinds of relationship. Either the line will touch the circle, either it will touch, means it will intersect or it will not intersect. The circle may intersect or may not intersect. Or it may intersect at how many points?
2 points.
It may intersect at 2
One
points.
more.
How can it intersect in 3 points? Anyone?
Yes.
How it can intersect 3 points?
By passing the line through center.
Oh, wow. Circle, this all is a part of the circle only, na? Circumference, can you intersect the circumference at 3 different points?
No.
No. You can intersect only
Two.
either one or
Two.
2 points. Either 1 point or
Either 2.
2 points. So depending upon the circle touches 1 point or 2 point, we gave it a different names. What are the different names?
Tangent sequence.
If a circle doesn't intersect a circle, so there is no definition of anything. But if a circle center point, in a circle what we name the center as O. Normally we name anything we can name, but normally we name as O. So it is called as the center of this point is called as what?
Center of the circle.
Center of
The circle.
center of the circle. Now, if a line intersects the circle at 2 different points, let this point be A, let this point be B. So this line is said to be secant of a circle. It is called what? Secant to the circle. This circle. Now, if a line intersects the circle at only 1 point, suppose this point is A, let this line be L. If the line L intersects the circle at only 1 point, it is called as
Tangent.
what? Tangent. Understood difference in tangent and secant?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of tangent and secant?
A line which intersects only one point is known as tangent.
Very good. A line which intersects a circle at only 1 point is called as a tangent. A line which intersects a circle at 2 different points is called as a
Secant.
So can anyone tell what is then chord?
Chord in circle.
What is the meaning of chord then?
Sada.
Can you
Which
explain
a
chord?
line which intersects a circle in two.
Chord.
Chord.
Not line I'm asking about chord. See, difference of chord and line is that tangent and secant is formed by the help of the line. Tangent and secant are formed by the help of a line, but chord is formed by the help of a line segment. Is formed by the help of a line segment. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. If AB line segment intersect the circle at two different points, it can intersect it anywhere. There is not a condition that it should intersect at only or passes only through the center. It can intersect anywhere.
It is called chord.
Okay, it is called as what? Chord. Understood the difference? Chord means what? If suppose this is AB over P and Q. So PQ is a line segment intersects the circle at 2 points, so it is called as a chord. And if the chord passes to the center of the circle, it is called as which one?
Diameter.
Diameter. It is called as diameter. And diameter is the
Biggest chord.
biggest chord of a circle. This is also a chord. If I draw a line, this is also a chord. This is also a chord. But the chord which passes to the center of the circle, it is what? Biggest chord. Diameter. So diameter is the biggest chord. Now we will see about how to measure or find length of the tangent. What is length of the tangent? How to measure or find length of the tangent?
You know that a tangent is a line that intersects a circle at only one point. In this figure, line AB is a tangent to the
Is that
circle
properly, yeah?
at point T. Now, let's draw segment OT joining the point of contact and the center of the circle. Next, let's take another point P on the line AB and join points O and P. As point P lies outside.
This is about tangent is. This is about what? A tangent. Any tangent if you take on any circle, if you take a circle, and if you draw a tangent line, if you draw a tangent, where is the tangent here?
Right side.
Yes. This point is what? Tangent. So this line is called, suppose a line L. Line L is tangent to the circle. Let's suppose this is the center of the circle O. From the center of the circle to the tangent, this is called as what?
Radius.
So O, let this name as A. So OA is what? OA is a radius. Now radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. This is a property of the. Before finding the length of the tangent, we should know the property of tangents and circles or the secant. So what is the first property? Radius is always, what happens? Perpendicular. To what? Perpendicular to the tangent. Of tangent to the circle, na? Tangent of the circle or tangent to the circle. So radius is always perpendicular to the tangent any time, or if it is a chord, in the chord also, if you take a chord, Now previous now only told about the chord. Now which is the chord here? Tell. What is the name should be given?
A-O.
Huh?
O.
R-M.
Huh? Okay. Now suppose
R-M.
A-R-L or A-B, let's suppose. A-B is the chord. Center of the circle O. Center of the circle O. If you draw a line which is perpendicular to the chord, if you draw a line perpendicular to the chord, or if you draw a straight line perpendicular to the chord, the second property is that radius divides the which one?
Chord.
Chord into equal half, or you can say and also and radius is what? Already know, radius is perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular to which one? To chord A B. So suppose this is O, A B C. Let this point as D or what is A B C. So what you can see, O C radius is perpendicular to chord A B. This is the second property. Radius is always perpendicular to the chord. Radius is always perpendicular to the chord, and radius divides the chord. AB is the chord now, means length of AC is equal to length of CD. Length of AC is equal to length of CD. That is the property of the which one? Chord.
Chord.
The intersection of chord and the radius. Two properties are formed. First, chord divides the radius divides the chord into equal half. This length and this length are equal, and radius is always perpendicular to the chord. Radius is fixed, right? Radius is always perpendicular to the
Chord.
Now we'll see how to draw a tangent and a tangent to a circle. How to draw tangent to a circle. So construction of tangent to a circle. How to do that? For the construction, what we require?
Line.
Line. What we are constructing now?
Tangent. Tangent.
So, construction of tangent to a circle. Construction of tangent to a circle. Now, first what we require? Suppose one question. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius. Circle of radius suppose 5 centimeter. So, what we require first? A circle. Where is the circle? Take a compass. Keep a pointer. Let the pointing name be, center point be O. Then how much distance? What is the radius?
5
centimeter.
Five. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this is how much distance? Radius of
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter. What we are constructing? Construction of tangent to a circle. Now, from external point, suppose OP is equal to 12 cm or 15 centimeter. OP is equal to,
15 centimeter.
let it be 15 centimeter. So again we want length. Ruler. Place the ruler
5 centimeters.
15. अरे भाई
15 centimeters.
okay. Now first draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter, taking O as a center and with length OP as how many centimeter?
15 centimeters.
Now bisect the length OP. Bisect. What is the meaning of bisect?
Join.
Divide into two equal
Divide.
parts.
Very good. Divide into equal half. Two equal. Divide into two equal half. Means you have to bisect. For that, take OP more than OP, half of OP. Take more than half of OP. Taking O as a center. Taking O as a center. Cut an arc on both sides. Cut an arc on both sides, so you can make a full arc also. With same radius, taking P as a center, intersect the arcs. So intersect upside as well as the downside. They are meeting at which point?
They are big.
They are, suppose this point is suppose A. Let this point as join AB. Next, join AB. And how will you join?
By ruler.
With the help of the
Ruler.
Hmm. Okay. Join AB. Now the AB's line will meet is meeting at OP at a point. Let name as this point as something
H.
M or yeah. What?
H.
H. This color. Which color? Okay, let it name as something M. Again, with the help of the compass, taking M as the center, and with radius OP or MO or MP, draw a circle with radius MP or MO, draw a circle. This circle meets the previous circle at 2 points. Let this point be P, let this P over now. Let this point be Q, let this point be R. Now join PQ. Which one? Join the point P, Q and R. So what is this called now?
Bisecting.
Bisecting already we have done.
Tangent.
Huh?
Tangent.
This is called what? Tangent. Very intelligent one. Now, this is called as what?
Tangent.
So, QP is the tangent. What is tangent here? QP is tangent to the circle. Similarly, downside also we can draw here this line. Okay, RQ. So, to a circle, how many tangents we can draw? To a circle, how many tangents? Infinite.
Yeah.
Why? Because we can draw tangent at any point. Every point we can draw one tangent. Every point we can draw a tangent. So number of what? Tangents to a circle. To a circle. How much? Infinite.
Infinite symbol like this.
Infinite. But suppose there is a tangent parallel to a tangent. How many tangents we can draw? This is a circle. This is a tangent. Now, if I want to draw a line parallel to this tangent, if I want to draw a tangent parallel to this one, how many tangents can you draw?
Infinite.
Huh?
Infinite.
What is the meaning of parallel? The
Two lines
distances are
that doesn't
equal. So how many tangents we can draw parallel? Only one. We can draw only one parallel tangent to a given tangent. So parallel to a tangent, how many tangents we can draw?
One.
Parallel to a
Tangent.
tangent line. How many tangents can be drawn?
One.
Only one tangent can be drawn. Parallel to a tangent, only one tangent. But on a circle, how many tangents?
Infinite.
Infinite. Okay, how many tangents?
Infinite.
Infinite.
Nine.
Now, there are some other things we should know about sector. Sector of a circle, not bisector. What is the meaning of sector of a circle? Can anyone tell what is the meaning of sector of a circle?
Joining points.
Huh? Joining points.
Major sector, minor sector.
Yeah, major sector and minor sector. So what is the meaning of sector?
A part.
Huh?
A part.
Now, suppose this is your birthday cake. What is? Normally your birthday cakes are what? Circular or rectangular or square shape. Now, suppose your birthday cake is circular. If you cut your cake from the center part, if you cut your cake from center of the circle, this is one piece. Okay? So, this part, which part here? The part formed or the area formed by the area formed now this area, see, the area formed by the bounding between this is what? O, suppose A, B. OA is what?
Radius.
OB.
Sector.
Sorry, length OB.
Radius.
Radius.
There last line. OA, OB is what? Radius. This part is called as what? R. It is called as an arc. So the area bounded by the radius and the arc is called as a sector. What is sector? Area bounded or formed. Area bounded or formed by the
Two radius.
two radius
And an arc.
and an arc is called as sector. Now, if two radius are bounded here, then what will form here? Angle will form.
Angle.
Suppose this is 30 degree. Suppose it is 30 degree. What is the area of this sector? Area of sector. Which one? Suppose OAB. Let write here something point B. OAPB. What is the area of the sector OAPB? So, area of a sector formula is x degree by total in a circle. How much degree is there? 360 into, since it is a part of area, use the formula area. What is the what is the area formula?
Pi
R square. Okay, it is pi r square. So area of a sector is what? X degree by 360 degree into pi r square. Now this area is smaller now.
Yes.
So smaller area is called as what? Minor sector. It is called as what? Minor sector. And this is the biggest part is called as major sector. Understood? Sector, minor sector and major sector. In the minor sector and major sector, another thing is formed that is called as segment. What is called? Segment. Like the minor segment and the major sector, major and the minor sector. Suppose in the sector we are cutting the cake from center point. Suppose someone don't know how to cut the cake, like Abhiram. He will cut this part and eat this smaller part. Suppose Abhiram cut this smaller part and eat. This part. This part he ate. So what will happen? This part Abhiram ate. Now, so since this is smaller, what we name this one smaller one?
Minor segment.
Minor segment. Now, what is the segment? Area formed by the chord and the arc. Area. This is a chord. This is what? Chord. And this one is an arc. So, area formed by the chord and the arc is called as which one? Segment. Now, since this area is small, it is called as
Minor
segment. And this area is small, it is called as major segment. Minor segment and major segment. Okay. Now, we'll see about some questions based on this one. Quiz. Until select the incorrect statement. Every point on a tangent to a circle other than the point O contact lies outside the circle.
Correct.
No tangent can be drawn to a circle through a point inside. Can we draw a tangent to a inside?
No.
All the line lies outside a circle and does not touch the circle at all is called as a tangent to the circle. A line which intersects the circle at two different points is called as secant to the circle. Which one is correct?
C
Huh?
wrong.
C wrong.
Correct is okay. She is asking what? Incorrect. Which one?
C.
Let's check correct or not. Correct. Very good. Next one. Observe the given figure below and select the correct option. Tell me. PQ is a secant.
No, wrong.
PQ is a secant or not?
Yes.
What you have to select? Correct one. RQ is a tangent. RQ is a tangent. TP is a chord.
No.
So what is the answer? Correct or? Yes. Next one. Tangents drawn to a circle from end points of a diameter of a circle are called?
Perpendicular.
Which one? Tell Jalika. This one?
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
C.
C.
Parallel.
Wrong. You tell all every answer.
I call it parallel.
Parallel. Okay.